So for this demo, let's search the GitHub into browser, and very first thing comes at the github.com. We can go over there, and here is the sign in page and get started with GitHub documents. We can go ahead and see that what are the details for GitHub, how we can get to start, how to start building, shipping and maintaining software GitHub, and how to do sign up for an account and connect with world largest development community. So let's go ahead, and this option is also there, popular section, where we have is signing up for a new GitHub account, hello world application, how to set up GitHub and other things. We can go over there and see that. So here are more details, how the type of GitHub accounts are there. So if we go inside that, more details, let's see that there are personal accounts we can bring, there are organization account, and there are organization accounts, and there are enterprise accounts. So personal account is that we will sign up with personal account like us, like at the gmail.com I will use for this demo, and then we will see that how it looks like. And there are organization account also can come, lot of company have their own accounts and other things, we can bring and use that one also. And similar for enterprise account also is there, where admins can come and centrally manage policy and billing for multiple organization is in a company, right? So that is how these things are there. So these are the types of account present into GitHub. So let's go back to our first page, and we can go ahead and see how to signing up for a new account. And if we want to create a personal account, which we are going to do right now, we have to go to GitHub pricing page, and then we can see. So let's go to GitHub pricing page, and here if we see that there are three options: free, teams and enterprise. So there are feature differences between all of the things, right? For free we can join for free, we can for teams we can go for $44, and for enterprise 231 per user year is there. So how many users are there for that enterprise, that depending upon billing will come for first 12 month, and like that for 44 for first 12 month. There are a lot of feature differences also inside these three options. So right now I'm going to do with join as a free, so let me click on that. So let's put the username detail. I will put that one Surface demo so that I can get that username. I can use that my personal email account here, and then I can generate one password, which I will go ahead and keep that one. And then it is saying that one we have to verify that I am a real person or not. So let me verify, and then seems good. Let's go ahead and create account. Now here it is saying that one we have sent an email. Go ahead and check code for that one. So let me go ahead and check that account, and I can put the details. Now it is saying that how many team member is going to work with us, working with you. So it is 2 to 5, 5 to 10, or what, or if you are a student or teacher, that depend upon things. So let's see that 2 to 5, and then it gives that one what is the specific feature you are going to interested in that one. So we can do that code spaces, pull request, notification, code review. We are going to use the CI/CD feature, right? We will do that security also, and we are going to use CLI and GitHub desktop also. We are going to use project management feature for all these details, and then we are going to select this team administrator and community. All this, let me select that one, and let's go ahead with next. So now we can see that some of the they have recommended based on our selection that team that we are going to use a lot of different things, but still free option is there. It is saying that when we can go for $4 per user per month, and then depending upon that I will be charged, but I will go with right now free options. Let's see that continue for free. And now this is the dashboard for GitHub, where we can go and see the details. We can go and explore the GitHub, and it says that, okay, there are few things over there which we can bring in, and we can see that different public repository it is able to find, and we can go and find the details. And also we can follow the trending developers and other details are there, so that we can go. And if we have we want to create any repository, then also let's go ahead and we can see from here we can create the repository and get the details. Right now in this demo I'm not going to do this one. In next demo I'm going to set up the repository part. Then also we can import the repository part. We can use all these issues and other things. We will see slowly on this all different videos that what to set up and how to use whole GitHub. So in this demo I just wanted to see that how to create GitHub account for personal use, and then we can see the next videos that how to create repo and how to do that CI/CD and other things. Thank you.